Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is breakfast. Breakfast time. This is my breakfast foods. Reheat rice and chicken. And also, I have donut and fresh orange and coke, Chinese pizza and sweet dates and hot drink. That's my breakfast foods, mga idol. At saka, I have sardines. Yan. Okay. Let's eat. A little bit hot. Mm. Wow. Wow na wow. Fresh, orange. Hmm? Maasim-masim.